So I did a lot of research online, read several posts, looked at several YouTube videos on kayak trailers and making them out of utility trailers. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing with mine. Seems like it's going to work pretty good. I got 4 10-foot 4-inch pieces of PVC tubing, schedule 40. You can go schedule 80, but I went ahead and went schedule 40. I think it's going to be tough enough, no problem. I got 2 new kayaks coming on the way, the big game prowlers, and I know I'm going to have a trailer for them because they're tanks compared to these ones I've been using. So what I did was I got the 2 pieces of PVC, or the 4 pieces of PVC, 2 on each side, and I got 2 10-foot pieces of unistrut. And what I did was I bolted the unistrut straight through. That way if I ever need my utility trailer, 4 bolts, lift up the rack, and I'm back with using my regular trailer. Alright, I did an 1.5 inch hole, and I did a hole big enough for the 3/8 bolt to go down through there. I got spring nuts. They had the springs on them, but I took them off so I could slide them around back and forth real easy the way I wanted to. So I got the spring nuts, so when I loosen it up here, I can slide this in and out to match any keel that you want to use or whatever. But it seems like it's gonna work pretty good. Excuse the mess. Like I said, I'm still working on this thing. But seems like it fits the kayaks pretty good, and it'll be nice and sturdy once I strap them down. They had 2 types of strut. They had the gold galvanized and they had silver galvanized at Lowe's. Really don't know what the difference is. The silver galvanized had a real crappy finish on it, so I went with the gold one. It was only like $1 more. So to each his own. But that's the gist of it. Hole saw, a 3/8 drill bit, spring nuts. The bolts that I used are roughly about 1.25 inches, 3/8 bolts with fender washers and the spring nuts, and you can get those in the electrical department right there with the unistrut. And then the PVC over at the plumbing thing. I hope this helps somebody out that wants to do that to their trailer.